Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to use tags to find and organize photos in OneDrive. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. It is quite easy. If you don't know how to, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at the topic of the video. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply focus on the top right corner of the screen. Right here, you can see a few options, but right now, currently what we're focused on is the settings button right here. Simply click on it. Then something like this will open up. It's gonna give you a few options like options, upgrade, get the OneDrive apps and everything. Simply click on the options button right here. Once this page opens up, do note that there are lots of options, simply ranging from search to manage storage. If you simply scroll down, you will see something called as photos. Click on it right now. Once you click on it, you can see something like photo tagging, and right here just below it, here's something called as use tags to find and organize photos. OneDrive uses AI tags to help you find your photos. As you can see, currently it is turned on. If it's not turned on, simply toggle on this button to on. And guys, that is it. That's how you use tags to find and organize photos in OneDrive. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.